Would you like to receive stable dividends and become a part of a powerful community, attend various exclusive events, engage with really interesting people, and receive various exciting bonuses as a club members? Most importantly, become one of the limited number of people who are the creators of a truly amazing project that will change our world, make our lives better and safer. Hi everyone, in this video I will introduce our startup and explain how each of you can become a part of it and reap future benefits. We have created something that no blogger has ever done for the audience and no startup has ever done. It's a symbiosis of fiat and the cryptocurrency, startup and the exclusive community. But let's break it down step by step. You probably know that any business is about solving someone else's problems. Our system also addresses a problem that has long existed in retail. Theft. You may think, well, they probably mean petty theft is not such a big problem, but no. Just take a look at these numbers. For example, the Finnish network Prisma incurs losses from theft of nearly $500 million. Look at this, Lidl, $2.3 billion. Auchan, $1.7 billion. For instance, the American Walmart, $19.4 billion. These are truly some crazy numbers. Probably you notice that their net profit is even less than their losses from theft, and all of this because they include the losses from thefts into the final product price. This is allowing them to operate at a profit. This means that retail networks are forced to lose potential profits due to large of a number of thefts. The product of our startup is SenVision. This is an analytical system based on artificial intelligence and machine vision that maximizes the potential of retail chains. We will not only be able to reduce the number of thefts and as a result the losses that we just saw in stores, but also increase sales. This system consists of several models. For example, how we will increase efficiency. One of the models analyzes consumer engagement, allowing us to understand where customers visit the store more often and how to strategically place product for campaigns. We also have a model, for example, that analyzes the cashier's performance to see how honestly and friendly they are in carrying out their duties. Our system includes the analysis of the work of the staff in the store, merchandising, monitoring and optimization. But most importantly is the theft recognition system, which is based on AI and machine vision. Now let's take a look at how it works in a short video fragment. A thief enters the store, approaches a shelf and comes into the camera view. There is a video stream that passes through our system. A green bar indicates everything is fine. However, as soon as the system detects that a bottle or an item has disappeared from the shelf and hasn't appeared anywhere else, it flags the moment as a red event, confirming a fact of stealing. A notification with a short video fragment sent to the security for immediate action to prevent the theft. The data on retail network losses were sourced from reports by these companies. They conducted extensive research and all the data was extracted from there. Regarding the use of our system, it will be made as accessible and convenient as possible through a subscription model. It's as simple as a YouTube Premium or Netflix. We equip the stores, connect them to our system, and it's all set. Now the retail network has 24/7 protection against the theft and access to all analytical data. Just imagine how convenient this is. The retail chain purchases a ready-made solution to the problem of theft and much more, all aimed at improving the efficiency and the safety of their operations. For example, here we have the following metrics, but what do they mean? Let's break them down together. The anticipated effectiveness of the anti-theft model of the system is estimated to be approximately 80% of the total identified thefts. However, let's be maximal pessimistic and reduce these figures by half to 40%. So what will happen? Let's find out. When only 40% of the thieves in the store are identified, Walmart's performance will increase by 33% of its net profit. Can you imagine? They use our system and their profits immediately grow by 33%. The license itself will cost them only 3.6% of this figure. Now let's take a Lidl for example. Their metrics will increase by almost 39%, which is hoping $500 million. To achieve such results, the license will cost them only $64.8 million. Imagine they pay $64.8 million for the license and their efficiency metrics increase, resulting in a profit increase of $500 million. And I want to remind you once again, This is just half the potential. What if the license cost remains the same while the loss reduction metrics double? Such figures will take the breath away from any manager. What are our sales forecasts? For example, after the first year, or pessimistic projection is 50 to 100 objects, 5,000 cameras in use, and a turnover of 1.8 billion euros for the company. The net profit is 540,000 euros. The baseline scenario is 700 to 1,000 objects and 18 million euros turnover and nearly 5 million euros in company profit. And in the optimistic scenario, if everything goes exceptionally well, 8,000 to 10,000 objects, a turnover 180 million euros and net profit of 45 million euros. According to our assessment, the average value of these three scenarios over 5 years results in a company turnover of 1 billion euros, a profit of 250 million euros, and a company valuation of 2.5 billion euros. And each of you can become a part of our startup. In the pre-seed round, we raised 57,000 euros and successfully developed a prototype. The system is already capable of detecting theft, fact of stealing in real time. We found a store where we have developed and trained our AI and then created marketing materials for everything. We've had several negotiations and received interest along with a confirmation that the problem exists and the retail networks would like to solve it. Recently, we became a part of a report about thefts in Estonia. The problem exists here as well. Our next tasks include creating the alpha version, such as training AI to detect various types of thefts. Some involve consuming a product like drinking from a bottle, while others involve intentional actions like intentionally damaging or hiding a product. Our current goal is to reduce false positives to at least 10%. Furthermore, we aim to achieve an effectiveness rate of at least 70%. This means that out of 1,000 thefts, it should be able to detect at least 700. We need to develop the alpha version first and then move on to beta testing immediately afterward. Now the most important part of the video, how each of you can become a part of our startup, one that will change the world for the better and make it safer. This is SenVision Club. It's an NFT club with a limited number of members. There won't be many members here. You will find out the maximum number of NFTs a bit later in this video. Every club member will have access to exclusive events organized by SenVision. For example, we might gather somewhere, for example, Dubai or Estonia or Spain, and the startup will also invest money from its profit into these events. You will be able to get cool merch at our events, participate in airdrops, but we'll share more info about this a bit later. There will be various partnership bonuses that we'll organize for you. There will be a whitelist for a private round of ICO or IDO. And the coolest part is the investment pool. Up to 5% the net profit of SenVision company will be invested in the development and support of the community. What does it look like? The company has already product and analytical system, and retail chains regularly pay for the license, generating profit for the company. Fantastic, good. Let's consider two scenarios as example. Scenario 1, the company made a profit of $15 million and up to 5%, which is $750,000, is invested in supporting its community. Scenario 2, the company made a profit of $135 million and up to 5%, which is $6,750,000 is invested. For example, $750,000 we can invest into some large scale events, and the remaining 6 million is distributed among all NFT holders. This means that for each NFT you hold, you receive $2,700. We have a total of 2,222 NFTs. Remember that club has a limited number of residents. So, for example, you receive $2,700 that's sent to your wallet for each NFT you hold. For instance, if you have 5 NFT, you receive $30,500. If you have 10 NFTs, it's twice as much, which is $27,000. The more NFT you have, the more you receive in airdrops. And just imagine, the club is limited, the project is growing, the company is generating more and more profit, more and more retail chains are joining us, and we are investing more in both the club and the events, creating more hype. As a result, the club's value increasing not just by days but by hours, and with it the price is rising. Remember, the number of spots is limited. Not everyone can join, but everybody want to join. So now each NFT is constantly increasing in value. In our Telegram channel you will find a lot of information. There we have everything. On our website, right after the investment pool section, you will find our roadmap. It's a comprehensive plan. You will be able to understand what, why, how, and what strategy our startup has. How we will create a product that will release and sell in the future. In August 2023, we started the first minting stage, and NFT is available ready for mint. To join the NFT Club, you need to click the big button on the website, connect your wallet, and mint your NFT. Also read our entire project plan, which is available on the website. One NFT currently costs 3.5 BNB. Club residents will be able to participate in the training of the AI system, and early bonuses will be able to you, and Discord access as well. In 2025, according to the plan, we will start selling our analytical system. Visit the website to read more. There is a lot of interesting information there for you, and minting is already available here. And be sure to subscribe to our Telegram channel. The most up-to-date information will be posted there, so join us here. And guys, just in case, I want to mention that all the useful links will be in the description of this video. You will find our Telegram or website, basically everything you need. That's all for now. I'll be happy to see you in the club, and welcome to SenVision Club, and let's change the world for the better together.